just to let you guys know, we will be kicking off our One Trade Away Mastermind come this weekend. All right, it's been a long time coming. So it's going to take place Saturday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right. Now, in order to get registered for this, you must go to www.onetradeawaymastermind.com, okay, and get registered. First come, first serve. But I want to tell you guys this. This training is going to be ongoing. So if you miss Saturdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will have this training happening multiple times per week, okay? So some of the details that you can expect to actually learn is, one, our defensive trading playbook, okay? Number two, our perfect entry strategy. You guys know, in order to have a great entry, you got to have a great level. It's all about levels. So I'm going to be breaking down how to find the best levels, what I call our market maker levels, okay? That's where the big moves happen. And of course, on top of that, you guys are going to be able to get my, one of my US30 proprietary strategies, okay, that we use, my students and I, we use to find setups on the market where we grab hundreds of points at a time, okay? And then I have some other bonuses that I'm going to be giving you guys, you know, just from me to you, for all the support over the years. You guys want to make sure that you stick around to the end, the very end, for this, all right?